What's going on, people? Good morning. Just wanted to quickly show you this new agent. It's called the Task Management agent. You could schedule any kind of task once you click in here. Okay, let's create a task. Hey, I'm looking cheapest flights out of JFK to Miami on March 24th through the 27th. Find me the cheapest flights again out of JFK to Miami. I need the tickets to be under $100. So we create a task right in there. Boom. Let's click. And now we create a task. Great. And now you could click in here under your name, okay? And now you have the task right in here. And you could edit the task, and basically you could just don't repeat, or you could just search it every morning. Sorry, gotta move this stuff. So just search it at, let's do 9 a.m. Okay, every morning, and it's gonna repeat it for the next daily. This task, searching for cheapest tickets on March 24th through March 27th under $100 JFK to Miami. Click save. And now basically every time this agent is going to be doing the research for you. Okay, let's create another agent. Let's click here. Let's select the task and let's do the mic. Find me the latest AI news on OpenAI. I need you to check their blog post. I need you to check on the latest news on Grok from x.com. Check also their blogs and report it to me every morning. All right, now we create another task. Let's click next. So now I have two tasks. So every morning it's going to be checking, and you can, okay, quiet. Okay, thank you. Thank you. You could edit right in here. Also, daily at 9 a.m. it's going to be checking the news for me. Anything that has to do with AI or not Brock. Let's Grok. Okay. Not as.com. So you could obviously edit from x.com. Blog post. Okay. All right, just like that. And now you have your agent, okay, checking on your flights, checking out your latest news. And again, you could click it right in here, okay, and you could check all your tasks, all your agents that are basically working for you. I hope this information helps. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.